and welcome to the 6th episode of Ninnys News. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for watching.
Hello there.
Hello, this is Nicole and Diane if you're new here. And today we are going to talk to you a little bit about mystery boxes. Mystery box day is coming up very soon, as well as we have a few more poems from the poem contest to read. And we've got a tutorial to share with you today. So Mystery Box Day, let's talk about that. Today is Saturday the 23rd, so Mystery Box Day is always on the 26th of the month, so that means that Mystery Box Day is Tuesday this week. And so if you're new here, you've never heard of mystery boxes before, we have discussed it previously on another episode of Ninnys News, but we'll leave a link down below in the description box to our mystery box page so you can learn all about them, see some sample mystery boxes, check out the different sizes. There are 3 different sizes. So yeah, mystery boxes are jam-packed full of goodies from our inventory. They come in 3 different sizes, as I said, and they're only available one day out of each month. And there's a limited number of them available, and they often sell out very, very quickly.
And they are jam-packed.
And we sell them at half price. So, for example, the Jumbo Mystery Box has a value of $300 Canadian, retail value, and it is sold for $150 Canadian.
Crazy
and you can, if you're in the US or you're in another country, you can check out on the Mystery Box page. You can view the prices in your currency. And there's under each mystery box, right now it'll say sold out. Tuesday they'll be in stock, but you can click on the notify me when available to receive an automated email the second they get restocked, because as I said, they go very quickly. Next up after that is our poems of the day. So Diane's got one here from Kelly that she's going to get started with.
Okay, thanks for your submission, Kelly. Napkin art is so fun to do, using colourful napkins with animals and flowers too. Ninnys napkins can be found by shopping online, and shipping is quick so your supplies arrive on time. Such a variety can be found in their store, as they are the one-stop shop for napkins and more. Great customer service and good prices to boot. Ninnys has all of your napkin art loot. Great job, Kelly.
Yeah, very good, Kelly. Thank you so much for your submission, and we'll be sending you a coupon for 10% off your next order, as well as the other 3 poems that we'll be reading today. And you've still got a few weeks to enter into the poem contest. We've got a lot of great ones so far. Still lots of time, and remember, you can enter more than one. And so if you're new here, we'll leave the link in the description box below to our contest page so you can read the rules and regulations and find out how to enter. Really looking forward to your submissions. So I have one today from Lori. This one is titled A Napkin from Ninnys. In a world of napkins, plain and white, blank canvases for craft so bright, folded, twisted, shaped with care as creativity dances in the air. A napkin swan with wings outspread, a flower blooming, a crown for your head. Origami magic, paper transformed, imagination sparked, and our spirits warmed. With scissors, glue, and colors bold, stories and dreams in each fold. From simple squares to works of art, crafted with love from the heart. Stains of time, memories ingrained, decoupage whispers, secrets unchained. Creations bloom with talent true, happiness found in all that we do. So let us cherish these humble sheets where creativity and beauty meets. Napkins transformed, no longer plain, crafted wonders and joy to sustain. Very nice, Lori. Thank you so much.
Good job, Lori.
Yeah, a lot of the other poems were quite funny, and that one was really nice and elegant. So I'll be sending you a 10% off coupon as well in the next couple of days. Okay, have you got now?
I have got Lorna. Thank you, Lorna. And she starts it with, an artist's dream, paradise for crafters, thousands of products from first floor to rafters. Transfers, papers, stencils, stamps, napkins, paints and ink. Every colour of the rainbow, orange, yellow, purple and pink. Hocus Pocus, Country Chic, Polyvine, Ambient, Twilight and Paper Plus Design. Far too many awesome products to name. Just trust me, check them out. You'll be so glad you came. So shop online, walk in or run to Ninnys Napkins at Ever Emporium.
Very good, Lorna.
Awesome.
Yeah, thank you so much for your poem, Lorna. And the very last one for today is from Sue. I never heard of Ninnys Napkins until one day online, where I saw a project made with napkins. I said, those napkins must be mine. But where, oh where would I find them? Oh my, I had no clue. And then one day I saw a post that led me straight to you. Since then I've had no problem buying up every kind of napkin that you make and offer me online. Now I own such a pile of fluff, I don't know what to do. Every napkin holds a dream. How to make those dreams come true? Guess I will make greeting cards, put them out there in the blue. I'm sure they'll sell like hotcakes and lead folks back to you.
That's great. That gave me goosebumps.
Okay, so next up, we did put a tutorial on YouTube this week, so I'll link that in the iCards up here. And as well in the description box below so you can find it. And the tutorial is showing you how to create this. This was a thrift store find, but yeah, it's going to show you how to use resin, the amazing casting resin, with our silicone molds. This one is Precious Peonies from Stamperia. We've painted it using Country Chic all-in-one decor paint. And then I show you how to make a glaze using Country Chic decor paint mixed with Polyvine Decorators varnish in a dead flat, so that you can make a glaze, and that's what's here in the low spots that makes it kind of vintagey and antique-y. You can make a glaze with any color paint that you have, which is really beneficial. So check that tutorial out for sure.
Speaking of tutorials, we now have a tutorial page on our website to find lots of good ideas and inspiration, how-to videos, that sort of thing. The link's in the description box, so check back weekly because we've got new projects that we're working on to keep you busy. So you're never going to get bored if you check out that page.
Yeah, and the tutorials are, some of them are from us at Ninnys Napkins and some are from our design team members as well. Most of them are videos, and so all the links will be on that tutorial page.
And there's lots more to add to that, isn't there?
Yes, lots more. So we've got, I think, about 10 or 15 tutorials up there now. I'm still kind of slowly adding some of the older ones from our own page and from Creative Katie Karen Burchell. There's quite a few of hers on there as well, and a couple from our newest design team member, Kelly Leader, Hugs and Beans. As we create some more new tutorials, we'll be adding them to the page as well. There's even some blog posts on there for those who prefer to read their tutorials rather than watch a video. Maybe you don't have the greatest internet connection. So lots of goodness on there. Great for inspiration. If you're ever stuck, you know, you think, oh, I finally have some time to craft today, and then you sit and you just kind of stare at the page or the project, whatever you're working on. I find if I just go and watch a couple of YouTube tutorials, even if I don't create that project, that's enough to get me inspired, to get me going. So everything we've spoken about today will be linked in the description box below. Unfortunately, we don't have any new products to share with you this week.
But what about Polyvine?
Oh, yes. So many of you have been waiting for some of the Polyvine varnishes and the glass frosting to get restocked. And I am really happy to tell you that we are expecting it to arrive this week, if it hasn't already, because we're filming on Tuesday. You're watching on Saturday, so there is a slight chance we already have it, but if not, I'm gonna go ahead and say this week for sure. So we did a really big order this time, lots and lots of Polyvine, so hopefully we're not gonna sell out. You guys love this stuff so much that it sometimes moves really quickly.
And guess who's gonna be stocking the shelves?
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and keep those poems coming. We're really looking forward to some more. Thanks for watching.
See you next week.